The fourth factor is cloud-based or desktop-based system. Now, we started that discussion and I started bringing to you these perspectives, but then I feel we need to go deeper. I feel we need to go deeper into that. What do I mean? I feel that we need to look at the major differences between cloud-based and desktop-based accounting systems. I mentioned to you that cloud-based it uses an online portal. Desktop-based is working on a computer that is domiciled in your premises, in your business premise. But then, I think I want to go to an extent where to give you a very organized breakdown of these two. So let me just rub off this writing which I started giving here so that I do it in a way that we all understand and we move together with it like that. Good. So now, what are these considerations that we are looking at? And I want you to look at it this way. I want us to come up with very simple differences. I'm not complicating anything here. I want to make it as simple as possible, so that we understand, because understanding is key. Understanding is very important. Now, I want to come up with a table that will give us the differences. Let me on the left column, let me talk about cloud accounting software. Cloud accounting software. And then on the far right, let me talk about desktop accounting software. Accounting software like that. So with that, let me just have a very, very small table here. And this table is going to help us come up with the differences very easily like that. Now, what is the difference between a cloud-based accounting system and a desktop accounting system? They're very simple. We've already talked about them. I'm just putting them in writing for you to understand it better. And before I even do that, I want to look at the aspect of differences. What are the areas of differences? The areas of differences. Under what considerations are we getting the differences? For example, let us look at the difference in terms of payment model. Payment model. What do I mean by payment model? If you want to engage or maybe get to use a cloud accounting software, what do you need in terms of payment? How will you pay for it? In a simple terms, how will you pay for it? Yes, you need that accounting system which is cloud-based. How will you pay for it?